Here the next is nature of CX bond. That's mean carbon and halogen bond. Here the carbon and halogen bond, that is halogen is more electronegative than the carbon. So here the carbon bond halogen bond of alkyl halide is polarized. So this having the carbon having partially positive and the halogen having the partially negative charge. So the size of halogen atoms here increases as we go down the down in the periodic table. So fluorine atom is the smallest and the iodine atom is biggest one. Fluorine is smallest one and the iodine is biggest one. So that is the largest one. So here the carbon halogen bond, like see the CF and the CI, not and CF to CI. That bond length also increases from carbon fluorine bond to carbon iodine bond. Some the bond enthalpy and the bond dipole moments, that is for CH3 F the bond length is 139, for CH3 Br Cl is 178, that is picometer, length in picometer, and CH3 Br bond length is 193 picometer, and the CH3I bond length is 214 picometer. So here from fluorine to iodine the bond lengths are increases, that is then the bond enthalpies, that is the bond enthalpies decreases down the group. So fluorine CH3 the bond enthalpy I will write here, the 452 kilojoule per mole. Then for this compound 351 kilojoule per mole, and this CH3Br 293, the bond enthalpy is 293 kilojoule per mole, and the iodine CH3I the bond enthalpy is 234 kilojoule per mole. Then the dipole moment for this 1.847 and the chlorine 1.860, bromine 1.830 and 1.636 for this, that is debye. Simply 1.847D, 1.860D, 1.830D and 1.636D. The D indicates that is dipole moment debye. The unit is debye. This is a dipole moment for the fluorine to iodine atom, that is alkyl methyl fluoride to methyl iodide atom. Then preparation from alcohol, that means the alkyl halide. See, these are the reaction. See, alkyl halides are the best prepared from alcohol, that is easily accessible, that is hydroxyl group. Look at that hydroxyl group of an alcohol replaced by the halogen. So replaced by the halogen. So when react with the HCl, that is concentrated halogen acid, this is the halogen acid, or phosphorus halides or thionyl chloride, like this react with this to form alkyl halide, that is the thionyl chloride is preferred because of the other two products are escapable gases. So here escapable gases. So hence the reaction gives a pure alkyl halide like this. So the phosphorus tribromide and triiodide are usually generated in situ. That is, situ means the produced in the reaction mixture. So by the reaction of the red phosphorus, like here, that is ROH, react with the red phosphorus. Red phosphorus here, suppose using of chlorine, red phosphorus and chlorine to form ethyl chloride. So the reaction of with the bromine means, that is bromine and iodines are respectively you can give. That is the preparation of alkyl chloride is carried out either by passing dry hydrogen gas through a solution of alcohol by heating a solution of alcohol in concentrated aqueous acid. So these are the method preparation. See the reaction of the primary and the secondary alcohols when react with HCl, that's easily removed. That is, water molecules are easily removed. Here the presence of zinc chloride is a catalyst. When that is the primary and secondary alcohol with HCl require the presence of zinc chloride catalyst. With tertiary alcohol, suppose if you use tertiary alcohol, the reaction conducted by a simple shaking with concentrated HCl at room temperature. That is the constant boiling with hydrogen bromide is used for the preparation of the alkyl bromide. The good yields of the ethyl bromide may be obtained. That is, our alkyl bromide iodide may be obtained by heating alcohol with sodium or potassium iodide. Using of instead of NaBr means you can use NaI. That is the potassium iodide 95% of orthophosphoric acid. Then the heating of, that is the order of the reactivity, that is order of reactivity alcohols and the given in halo acids mean, that is tertiary. The tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than, and the primary. So this is the order of reactivity alcohol with a given halo acids. So this is given the halo acid. The above methods are this methods are not applicable for preparation of the aryl halide. Only applicable for the alkyl halides. That because the aryl halide having, suppose in aryl halide, this having the partial double bond character, so that this applicable only for alkyl halide, not for the alkyl halide, because of the bond in this look at this having the partial double bond character, so it is difficult to break. So being stronger than the single bond, so that alkyl halide is preferred, using alkyl halide. Preparation alkyl halide from hydrocarbon, the method is free radical halogenation. The free radical, when the free radical chlorination or the free radical bromination of alkanes gives a complex mixture. That is the complex mixture of isomeric mono and polyhaloalkanes. See, which is difficult to separate as a pure component. Consequently, the yield of any one compound is low. So here the propane, this is N-butane. The N-butane, in the presence of chlorine and the presence of UV light or heating, you will get that is butyl normal butyl chloride or chlorobutane. Then the mixture of this is isomer, because the same molecular formula and the different structural arrangement. Here the same molecular formula. So look at this. This is 2-chlorobutane. This is 1-chlorobutane, and this is a 2-chlorobutane. 1-chlorobutane, and this is 2-chlorobutane. By electrophilic substitution reaction, the aryl chlorides and bromides can be easily prepared by the electrophilic substitution of arenes with chlorine and bromine, that is respectively in the presence of the Lewis acid, catalyst like iron 3 chloride or iron in dark position to form orthochlorotoluene, and the para chlorotoluene will be obtained. That is, the ortho and para isomer can be easily separated due to the large difference in their melting point. The reaction with iodine are reversible in nature and require the presence of the oxidizing agent like HNO3 and iodate halogen, that is HiO4, hydrogen iodate, that is to oxidize the hydrogen iodate formed during the iodination. Here the fluoro compounds is not applicable, that is, the fluoro compounds are not prepared by this method because of high reactive of fluorine. Fluorine is the high reactive element, so that is not possible. So here the toluene, this is toluene, react with chlorine to form, that is in the presence of ferric chloride or iron, to form orthochlorotoluene. This is orthochlorotoluene, and this is a para-chlorotoluene. The next is Sandmeyer reaction, that is preparation of the aryl halides. The Sandmeyer reaction, the primary aromatic amine. So this is the aniline, is a primary aromatic amine. So dissolved or suspended in cold aqueous mineral acid like HCl is treated with sodium nitrite to form a diazonium salt. So this is to form benzene diazonium chloride. So this is mixing the solution freshly prepared diazonium salt. Then again the freshly prepared diazonium salt with cuprous chloride. This is cuprous chloride or the cuprous bromide. You can use cuprous chloride or the cuprous bromide. That is the result in the replacement of the diazonium group. So the replacement of the diazonium group to form, that is replacement of the diazonium group by chlorine or bromine. Suppose if you use cuprous bromide, the bromobenzene will be appear. Suppose if you use cuprous chloride, chlorobenzene will be appear. When suppose treatment with potassium iodide, that is replacement of the diazonium group by iodine, does not require the presence of the cuprous halide like cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. Just simply it's halide and done simply shaking with the diazonium salt with the potassium iodide, you will get iodobenzene. So this reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. The temperature is very important here. The temperature should maintain 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, that is 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. Then only the reaction will gives better yield, or otherwise the suppose temperature is raised above the degree, means the reaction will be decomposed. Then from alkenes, this is the addition of halogen, that is hydrogen halides. Addition of hydrogen, suppose ethene treatment with hydrogen chloride, that is the alkene is converted to the corresponding alkyl halide. So the corresponding alkyl halide, that is the ethyl chloride, by the reaction with the hydrogen chloride or hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide. Here I am using hydrogen chloride, so you will get ethyl chloride. Then the propene, suppose propene gives two yields, that is one will be predominant, that is follows the Markovnikov rule. That is you are studied in class 11 chemistry. So propene, that is our proponene react with hydrogen iodide to give iodo, that is 1 iodopropane or 2 iodopropane. The 2 iodopropane will be the major one. So this is the preparation of alkyl halide from alkene. That method is addition of the hydrogen halide. Suppose addition of halogens. The addition of halogen in the laboratory, the addition of the bromine. So here addition of bromine in carbon tetrachloride of an alkene resulting in discharge of reddish brown. This is the reddish brown color of bromide, constant important method for the detection of the double bond in the molecule. So the addition results in the synthesis of, you will be getting the vicinal dibromide or Vic dibromide, simply VIC. Dibromides. So or ethane 1,2 dibromide, which is a colorless compound. The reddish brown compound which it gives colorless compound. This is the preparation method. Halogen exchange. See the alkyl iodide, any that alkyl iodide here this is the alkyl iodide are often prepared by the reaction of alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide with the sodium iodide in the dry acetone. So this reaction name is called Finkelstein reaction. So Finkelstein reaction. You will be getting that alkyl iodide, sodium chloride or the sodium bromide thus formed by the precipitate in the dry acetone. It facilitates the forward reaction according to the Le Chatelier principle. Then the synthesis of alkyl fluoride is the best accomplished by the heating of an alkyl chloride or the alkyl bromide in the presence of the metallic fluoride like silver fluoride or mercury fluoride or antimony fluoride, whatever it is. The reaction termed is called Schwarz reaction. So these are the naming reaction. This is also called halogen exchange. Here this halogen and this halogen exchanges here. So this will become NaCl and Ri. Here also the same one, AgBr. So halogen is exchanged. Next the physical properties we will discuss in next class.